This is a 2023 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. The color of this Street Glide Special is Prospector Gold Metallic with black factory finish. And fortunately we have some sun today and you can really see this metallic paint job jump out. It is just an incredible color on this bike. And the black factory finish really contrasts well with it. Now it has hand-painted custom pinstriping that has been added to it. And it is hand-painted and then clear-coated over to protect it. It's not that stick-on stuff. And then on the fuel tank, it has a custom hand-painted Harley logo. Very, very cool pinstriping. On the back of the saddlebag, the logo in Harley Davidson has been hand-painted. Very nice, very custom. Now this Street Glide Special has only 5,408 original miles on the odometer. It's had its 1,000 mile service, it's had its 5,000 mile service here recently through Pig Trail Harley Davidson. The factory warranty is in effect till 1 of 2026. It's equipped with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. It does have a Stage 1 performance package on it, so it really wakes up the 114. This bike has a lot of horsepower, a lot of torque, and runs incredible. Now the Stage 1 package consists of the Harley Screamin Eagle air cleaner, 4.5 inch black Rinehart slip-on mufflers, and it has the Harley Davidson Screamin Eagle street tuner to make it all work in harmony. Now this bike is really highly accessorized. So we'll start at the front because there's a long list. The headlight has been replaced with a Harley Daymaker, and the black headlight trim has been added to it. The front turn signals and rear turn signals are by Custom Dynamics. So the front ones have the white LED halo and then they turn amber when you hit them. It has the fork wind deflectors. It has custom axle nut covers. It has frame air deflectors. And then these adjustable wind deflectors have been added. These come standard on the Ultra Limited, but they do not come on the Street Glides, so those have been added. Has a shorty windshield. It also has 2 additional windshields that come with it. Has a 5-inch Freedom flared tinted windshield and an 8-inch Windvest tinted flared windshield. The handlebars have been changed. These are Paul Yaffe monkey bars. And along with that, the cables have been replaced with black pearl braided cables. Harley Dominator custom mirrors have been added. And a real nice feature that I like are the Harley Davidson heated grips, which do not come on a Street Glide Special. Now it has a custom covered seat with custom stitching. Nice Harley Davidson logo stitched into it. Of course, the key fob and extra keys. A detachable passenger backrest. It also has 2 additional seats that come with the bike. One is a Harley Davidson hammock seat that is heated, and the plug is underneath the seat here to plug it into. And the other one is a stock Harley Davidson touring seat. So between the 3 of them, you can pretty well figure out what's the most comfortable for you, for whatever your riding situation is. Just an incredible paint job. Out here in the sun, it just really pops. And with the custom hand-painted pinstriping, it just really offsets it really great. There's your 4.5-inch Rineharts. Gives it a good sound without being too loud. Now this Street Glide Special is also equipped with the RDRS Rider Enhancement Safety System, which has multiple configurations for ABS brakes, for cornering and wet conditions, and that also includes the tire pressure monitor system and the hill start assist. Just a really well equipped bike from the factory, and then just super accessorized. Incredible paint job, low mileage, well cared for. Factory warranty is in effect. You just can't go wrong with this bike. This bike is absolutely beautiful. For information on how to put this 2023 Street Glide Special in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be reached on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now our prices are out the door. There's no hidden fees, no dock fees, setup fees, any of that hooey. Just a good, honest, out-the-door price for an incredible 23 Street Glide Special. Give us a call. We'll see if we can put this beauty in your garage. Thanks for watching our video.